News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in Madan Mohan Malviya University of Technology, Gorakhpur, Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur, Rajkumari Ganesh Sharma Sanskrit Vidyapeeth, Uranium Corporation of India Limited, Agricultural Economics Research Centre, Office of the Jute Commissioner, Punjab Engineering College, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Northeastern Police Academy, and ITBP. Online applications are invited from eligible candidates for appointment to the following faculty positions. In Madan Mohan Malviya University of Technology, Gorakhpur, 1 post of professor, 1 post of associate professor and 3 posts of assistant professor in Department of Chemical Engineering, 4 posts of professor, 5 posts of associate professor and 8 posts of assistant professor in Department of Civil Engineering, 4 posts of professor, 3 posts of associate professor and 10 posts of assistant professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering, 3 posts of professor, 6 posts of associate professor and 5 posts of assistant professor in Department of Electrical Engineering, 2 posts of professor, 5 posts of associate professor and 7 posts of assistant professor in Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, 1 post of professor and 2 posts of assistant professor in Department of Humanities and Management Science Management, 1 post of professor, 1 post of associate professor and 3 posts of assistant professor in Department of Information Technology and Computer Application, 1 post of professor, 1 post of associate professor and 3 posts of assistant professor in Department of Mathematics and Scientific Computing, and 4 posts of professor, 5 posts of associate professor and 7 posts of assistant professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering. Last date to submit the online application is 11th October 2021. Printout of completed online application form submitted through the prescribed link with all necessary enclosures or documents as detailed on the university website should be sent through registered or speed post only to the concerned authority so that it reaches latest by 5 p.m. on 21st October 2021, failing which candidature shall not be considered. Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur invites online applications from Indian nationals including persons of Indian origins and overseas citizens of India for appointment on temporary and contract basis for a maximum period of 5 years for the following posts at the Institute: 2 posts of Principal REO, 4 posts of REO Grade 1 and 2 posts of REO Grade 2. For detailed advertisement, visit www.iitk.ac.in. Rajkumari Ganesh Sharma Sanskrit Vidyapeeth, Kolhanti, Patauri, Darbhanga, Bihar, recognized as Adarsh Sanskrit Mahavidyalaya under the scheme for financial assistance to institutions recognized as Adarsh Sanskrit Mahavidyalayas or Adarsh Shodh Sansthans being implemented by the Central Sanskrit University, New Delhi, under Ministry of Education, Government of India invites applications for recruitment of non-teaching positions. 1 post of office assistant. The last date for receipt of application will be 30 days from the publication of this advertisement. Uranium Corporation of India Limited invites applications from Indian citizens for the following post on contract basis for a period of 1 year. 2 posts of Assistant Superintendent, Civil, purely on contract basis for 1 year. Typed application giving full details as per the prescribed application format along with a recent passport size photograph, self-attested copies of matriculation certificate for date of birth and all relevant documents such as educational qualifications, experience, caste certificate and medical certificate applicable for physically handicapped candidates only should reach the concerned authority on or before 25th October 2021. Application format can be downloaded from the website www.uraniumcorp.in. Applications are invited from eligible candidates for one post of Senior Fellow Professor by 29th October 2021 in Agricultural Economics Research Centre, University of Delhi. Incumbents may also be required to perform the duties of Director. The centre reserves the right not to fill the advertised vacancy if the circumstances so warrant. Qualifications and other conditions as stipulated by the UGC regulations from time to time are applicable. For application form, qualifications and other details, please visit Centre's website www.aerc.du.ac.in and University of Delhi website www.du.ac.in. Applications are invited from eligible candidates for deployment as IT Resource Person, Assistant System Administrator, one post in the office of the Jute Commissioner under Ministry of Textiles, Government of India in Kolkata purely on contract basis. The details such as eligibility criteria, terms and conditions, locations, last date, etc. kindly visit the website jutecom.gov.in. Applications are invited for the post of Registrar, Punjab Engineering College, deemed to be university, on contract basis for a period of 5 years. Last date of submission of application in the Office of Dean Faculty Affairs is 14th October 2021, Thursday, up to 5 p.m. For details, please visit the Institute website www.pec.ac.in. For any query related to advertisement, candidate may send email on deanfa@pec.edu.in. Ministry of Information and Broadcasting proposes to prepare a panel of willing and eligible officials for appointment to the post of dispatch rider on deputation or absorption or re-employment basis in the main secretariat of the ministry. In case appointment is made through deputation, the period of deputation tenure will initially be for a period of 3 years. Applications of only those officials whose services could be spared immediately on their selection may be forwarded in the prescribed proforma given in Annexure 1, duly signed by the controlling authority along with documents mentioned to the concerned authority within a period of 30 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News. Northeastern Police Academy, Ministry of Home Affairs invites applications for the post of Additional Director General on deputation. Application as per prescribed biodata along with all relevant documents should reach the concerned authority within 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. The candidates who apply for the post will not be allowed to withdraw their candidature subsequently. For details regarding eligibility, qualification, experience, biodata, proforma, etc., kindly visit Northeastern Police Academy's website nepa.gov.in. Due to administrative reasons, the advertisement published in Employment News dated 14th to 20th August 2021, wide advertisement 20/91, for filling up the post of Senior Administrative Officer, Group A, Gazetted Ministerial Post in ITBP on deputation is hereby cancelled. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.